So now let's play with this form a little bit just to make sure that all of the different states that it could be in look good. So I'll click on this select. All right, so that seems to look good. If you start typing in the input, I feel like there needs to be a bit of padding before this text starts right here. It looks a little incomplete. So let's play with this in the browser. I'll inspect the element and let's set the padding left to 10 pixels. All right, that seems fair. And what if we added padding right as well? Okay, so that gives us some nice clearance from the edges here. And so we want to add padding to the left and right, but not change what the top and bottom are. So we'll just set it to the left and right independently instead of using the shorthand. So we'll use the px2rem and pass it 10. And then for the right, we'll do px2rem again for 10. We'll save it, refresh in the browser, and now that looks better. Let's see what happens when we click on this. All right, so after exploring the different possible states here, it seems like this is solid. So real quick, let's reorganize our HTML to put this form where it belongs in the header. So I'll jump over to our index.html file, and I'm going to cut this whole form here, and I'll do a search for header, and there we go. And now the search form is going to be right next to this account link. So I'll just paste it right in there. We'll save it and refresh, and there we go.